Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic Deque operations, in that delete left operation. Already, we have discussed two operations, insertion left and insertion right operation. Now, in this session, we will discuss the third operation, delete left operation. So, here in the left pointer, we are going to implement the delete operation, that is delete left. So, the algorithm is step 1. If left is equal to -1, when left is -1, or normally in queue data structure, what is the condition for empty queue in the sense? Front is equal to -1. Front as well as rear both is -1, or even only front is -1 in the sense. In that case, the queue data structure is empty. Similarly, here in DQ data structure, if the left pointer is pointing to -1 memory location, DQ data structure is empty. That is the meaning. So, we cannot able to implement delete operation in empty DQ data structure. So, it has to write underflow condition. Underflow condition is nothing but there is no elements in the DQ data structure. That is the meaning. So, it has to print underflow condition and go to step 4. So, step 4 exit, meaning is we cannot able to implement delete operation in empty DQ. Okay. Otherwise, step 2, write deleted element is DQ of left. We are going to delete the left pointer element. So, what is the left pointer element? Currently, it is pointing. That element only we are going to delete it. So, we have to write DQ of left. What is the element you are going to delete? That you are going to print. That's it. That is step 2. And in step 3, if left and right pointer is equal, both the pointer is equal in the sense, set left and right pointer to -1. So, what is the condition in the sense? For example, if you are considering this as the DQ data structure, and here now left is pointing to second memory location and right is pointing to fourth memory location. Okay. So, here we are implementing delete left operation in the sense, delete left operation, just if you are incrementing the left pointer by 1, that is enough. Automatically this position element will be deleted. So, now if you are implementing delete left operation, just increment the left pointer. So, if you are incrementing, now left pointer will point to memory location 3, element 40. Now this element will be deleted. Okay, now left pointer will be here. Again, if you are implementing delete left operation in the sense, just increment the left pointer by 1, automatically the left pointer will point to fourth memory location. This third memory location element will be automatically deleted. Now, if you are considering left and right pointer, both is pointing to same memory location. Okay. Now, in this case, if you are implementing delete left operation in the sense, what will happen? Both the pointer it is pointing, but here we are implementing only delete left operation. So, if left and right pointer is pointing to the same memory location, and if you are implementing delete left operation in the sense, just increment the left pointer by 1, right? That is a normal condition we will implement. So, here when left and right both the pointer is pointing to same memory location, meaning is next position there is no element. That is the meaning. So, if you are incrementing left pointer to next memory location, no use at all, because there is no element in that memory location, right? So, in that case, instead of incrementing left pointer by 1, we are setting left and right pointer to -1 memory location. So, what is the meaning of this condition when left and right is equal in the sense? This is the only element currently, this is the only element in the DQ data structure. And if you are deleting this element, there is no more element in this DQ data structure. That is the meaning. Okay. So, in this case, what we have to do? After deleting this current element, set left and right pointer to -1. -1 in the sense DQ data structure is empty. That is the case. So, set left and right pointer to -1 if you are setting in the sense, automatically this element will be deleted. Okay. If left and right pointer is pointing to same memory location, meaning is that is the only element in the DQ data structure. If you are deleting now that element, afterwards there is no element in the DQ data structure. So, the left and right pointer you are resetting to -1 memory location, meaning is DQ data structure is empty. Further, if you are inserting any element, that is the new element you are going to insert into the Deque data structure. That is the meaning. Okay. So this is if condition. Suppose if this if condition fails, that is left and right pointer is not equal. Both is not pointing to same memory location. In that case, if left is pointing to max minus 1 memory location, what is this condition? For example, here this is 0 to 7th memory location. Okay. Left is pointing to max minus 1 location. This is max minus 1 location. Okay. When this left pointer will point to max minus 1 location, continuously if you are implementing delete operation, and finally it will reach to the max minus 1 position. Okay. Some element is there here. Here also some elements are there. Okay. From left pointer you have deleted these elements. Now right pointer is pointing to this memory location. Left pointer is pointing here, max minus 1 position. So, if left has reached max minus 1 position, after deleting this element, where the left pointer will point, you cannot able to increment to next memory location. That is not possible, right? This is the maximum position we have reached. So, after reaching the maximum position, the left pointer, you need to reassume to 0th memory location. Automatically, this element will be deleted. Okay, when the left pointer reached the maximum position, set left pointer to 0th memory location. This is another condition. Suppose if this condition also fails. Okay, what is the next state? Left is equal to left plus 1. This is a normal condition. What we will do? Suppose this is the Deque data structure and here we have placed some elements. Okay, and left is pointing to 0th memory, first memory location, and right is pointing to 5th memory location. If this is the case, in the sense, if you are implementing delete left operation, in the sense, see here left pointer is not equal to right pointer, this condition fails. Left pointer is not reached the max minus 1 position. What is the maximum memory you have allocated? It has not reached to that maximum position. Okay, this condition also fails, in the sense, just increment the left pointer by 1. Okay, just if you are incrementing left pointer, now it will point to second memory location. Automatically this element will be deleted. This is the simplest form of deletion actually. Okay, these are all complicated cases. If left and right is equal and the left is equal to max minus 1, complicated cases. Simple procedure is increment left pointer by 1. Automatically this position element will be deleted. Okay. So this is all about delete left operation. Here first is you have to check for empty Deque. If condition is true, write overflow and exit. Okay. Otherwise, what is the element you are going to delete? That you have to print it. That is currently left pointer, what it is pointing, that element you have to print it. Okay. And step 3 only actual condition. Left and right is pointing to same memory location, meaning is only one element. After deleting that, set left and right pointer to minus 1 memory location. Else, if left is pointing to max minus 1 memory location, after deleting that element, set left pointer to 0th memory location. Else, increment left pointer by 1 position, automatically element will be deleted. So these are all the cases for delete left operation in Deque data structure. See, if you understand the conditions properly, in the sense, no need to memorize anything here. The code automatically you can able to write down and you can explain the scenario. Okay. Thank you for watching this video.